Recover permanently deleted text SMS on iPhone. Have you accidentally deleted your text messages on your iPhone and now you need to recover them? In this video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted text SMS messages on your iPhone with 100% working methods. So let's get into it. The first step is to check if you have an iCloud backup that includes your deleted text messages. Here's how. Open your settings app. Open your settings app, simply tap on your Apple ID at the top. Go to iCloud and simply select iCloud Backup and check if the last backup was made before you deleted the messages. If yes, we can restore it. To recover your deleted text message, what you need to do is you'll need to restore your iPhone from an earlier iCloud backup. Just go to settings and on general, simply go to transfer or reset iPhone. Simply click on erase all content and settings. This will wipe everything from your device, so make sure to back up your current data first. After your iPhone restarts, follow the on-screen instructions, and when asked, choose restore from iCloud backup. Select the backup that was made before you deleted your text messages and wait for the restore process to complete, and once done, check your messages app for your deleted text. Also, in iPhone, there is a new update from where you can simply find your deleted messages as well. Just open your messages app and simply let's delete this message. Now, as you can see, when we delete, all the messages are that you've done or deleted is gone. But simply what you need to do is simply tap on edit, and from there you can simply find an option that says show recently deleted. Tap on it, and here you can find all the deleted messages for 30 days. Conversation you deleted will simply be stored over here until and unless you permanently delete it. This may take up to 40 days to simply permanently delete. So to restore it, simply tap on the message and simply tap on recover and tap on recover the message. And that's it. These are some of the working method to recover permanently deleted text SMS messages on your iPhone.